Going live. Okay. What's on the agenda today? That's a great question, GPT. First is weekend activity. Didn't break the streak. Trying again. Oh, this is as far as I've made it in the past. Actually, that's kind of crazy. I'm already back to it. Broke the streak there, so we started over. So 2 weeks in. School activities. So 24th. School activities 24th. 38. And then 25th had 20. Wait, was that Saturday? Saturday. Friday? Saturday. 20. At least I did it. And then Sunday, 19. Yeah. I remembered like last minute. I don't know why. Sunday I get up and oh, I don't have to do anything today. And then I always forget about n8n or not n8n Skool. And then it catches me off guard. And then I'm I remembered at 5:30 before it rolled over, thankfully. So got to not break that on a Monday. That Discord. And then profile. So yeah. Then I got some this morning. Back up to 30. Doing it for a little while. I need to increase my activity to be a little bit more valuable, but we're getting there. All right. I should be live. Yep. Cool. Then that, if I just pause it, then I don't have my YouTube channel just burning through all kinds of random stuff. And Twitch, we're live. Nice. Twitch, we are live. How about X? XXX. Live on X? Yep. Cool. Weird. That had another tweet that was going to go out. Okay, cool. Sorry, excuse me, post. They're posts, not tweets. And what was that? Oh yeah, members. Earn automation, settings, metrics. 555. Wait, we're 23, 23rd, 24th, 548. Twenty-fifth, 552. Today, 27th. Drag it all the way down. Not what I wanted. 552, and then 26th, 555. Cool. And then YouTube. Where are we? Here we go. Analytics. Advanced. Wait, nope. I want content. Or audience size and growth. Subscribers. 23rd is 1104. Got that. 24th, 1109. Okay. $11.17, October 25th. And then 11:20, October 26th. Yeah, had a 8 bump on Friday, Saturday. What happened? Cool. Take it. Ah, nice. we got some comments. I think if you show all things and focus on what you teach, it will be much better. Don't show all things and focus only on what you teach. Better. What do I mean by that? Show what you teach, it'll be much better. Interesting. Maybe just like not going back to review it all. That's what it means. I should only focus on building on the current nodes, or current nodes or system. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that'll work. That looks like a good one. Much appreciated. Is that technically an AI response? Oh, did not work. There we go. Ooh, I got him. I got him with the rubber glue. Currently, seeing if there's any. Oh yeah, I think I totally forgot to answer that, or forgot to reply to the reply because I just used the filter. YouTube needs to fix that. Like, brother, the workflows. Oh, got it. Cool. All good. All right. Just seeing what else is left here. Show us those methods. Wait. Ah, that's right. I didn't need to do that. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I do need to go back and add timestamps to all my videos. That is on the list. So I think that is actually going to be kind of more of the focus this week, is to get this YouTube channel rocking and rolling. Finally do the thing. Everything else is looking pretty good at this point. I mean, still got a lot left on the app on Wave, but I mean that's gonna take a while, and then a couple other clients that are in pretty good shape. It's manageable. So I think YouTube's gonna be the focus. Let's see. And real close. Hey, there's Craig. What's up? Real close to that. Yeah, getting real close to 10 minutes. Nice. Real close to wrapping up this thing. So that will be hopefully the goal for this week as well. Might get this into a good spot. Oh man. Okay. So I know I made a couple tweaks on Friday. Yeah, there we go. That ended up, I think, working. So I tried to keep the audio under control. Don't want it to be too long. It's really weird. Can I move that? Ah, they do it? Yeah, there we go. It's like, there's no way they do that. Okay. But I mean, I think this whole thing worked. So I think I remembered to unpin these because that was going to be an issue. It generated all the documents. It generated too many documents. Yeah, a lot of documents. Stuff kept going even after I killed it. Yeah, a lot of audios. Spent like 40 cents on that one, but oh well. Otherwise, couldn't do the video. I guess probably should do the video to make sure that it does line up with everything else. It's not gonna too many audios. The video, I guess, actually does need a little bit of work because it is not. I mean, it's using Google Drive, so actually, it's not bad. I think I did change it from last time. I have to get that up and running. Do I have Docker running? I have Docker running. But I mean, everything else worked. All right, it's already 10:30. I'm not streaming very long today, like for real. It's usually my thing every day, but unfortunately, the stream is not profitable. So like, that's why I gotta switch over to like actually doing YouTube stuff. Once the system is done, I will probably reprioritize into using the stream, hopefully to like actually make video, but nothing else. Basically just needed to get my system set up to make the stream create clips, and then it would be a lot more valuable. But for now, it is kind of a time sink, so I cannot be spending so much time streaming, unfortunately, at the moment. But we can do it. I do want to maintain it though. Like, I think it's important. Let's see. Where's this guy? Come on, PowerShell. Is that because it's booting up Linux? Is that why it's so slow? Dev cd. What is this? Where am I? My self-hosted video starter kit. Docker compose up. So easy, so simple. I haven't updated that bad boy in a minute either. Gonna need to probably do that. Have to figure out how to do that with this. Ooh, it's taking a minute. Taking a minute to get started. Downloading something? Maybe because it's already running? Oops. Is it already running? Uh-oh. that right? Oh, yeah, it's already running. How about that? How convenient. Oh, that's nice. Docker Compose didn't just duplicate it. It realized that they were already running. Cool. So generate lecture video. What did I call this? Course system. Oh, not a pipe. Doing dash. All right. That's right. We did work through this one a little bit more. So this does actually connect to Google Drive. The other thing I need to do is go through and rename all of these so they actually are kind of valuable. Even so that I could actually follow it, because I get a little bit lost in it, and I'm the one that built it. But yes, that's right. We did change it to actually use Google Drive because it'll get the video into the folder and it'll pull stuff from the folder, which is also good. Just use the shared folder in Docker, which I'd already set up, to be able to download and transfer files, because we need to be able to pull stuff out of Google Drive to then, be able to grab the audio file, download it, and then use it for the video. And then same with the images. Did I do that too, right? I have to. Yeah. I was doing a search, and I don't think I need to do search anymore. Or no, yeah. I guess I was just making sure that I'm getting the lesson images in case there's like other things in that folder there shouldn't be. But I think the general search there actually works. So I think that's fine. And then that gives me the Google Drive. And then create the video, upload it to Google Drive, and then create the subtitled video, upload that to Google Drive as well. So I forgot, we actually worked through all this, so cool. Then I guess I gotta run this real quick to make sure that it actually generates video. The last run was pretty good. Again, it just had the extra stuff in it, but otherwise I think it's actually not bad. So can go off of this ID. Set the file ID to that instead. All right, and then there we go. Got stuff working. So that should pull in the new document. Pull in all the lessons, which is just 2. Cool. Yeah, now it's gonna have an issue here because there's like 8 or 4 audio files. So I'll just delete one of them. Weird. Yeah, that's right. The numbering did get off, and I think we tried to fix it. I forgot about that. I was gonna see about maybe changing that, because I think the AI just like randomly decided to change the numbering. Ooh, wow, those are quite a bit different. 2.9 to 4.8. Go with the longer one. They sound the same. These the same transcript, so I think they're good enough. Yeah, I mean, I think or I think I just have to run the whole thing because if I loop to one, it'll run all the way through once to this, and then if I try to run it again, it'll just run all the way through again. So I think the whole thing just has to happen, which is fine. Let's do it. Generate a lecture video. And this is. Oh, that's right. This is the timestamp guy. This guy always takes a while because he's got to read through the entire timestamp, minute by minute, or whatever, second by second, word by word, rather, word by word of the entire transcript, and then figure out when to do images within that time script or time stamped transcript. That will take a minute. It's kind of surprising. I think I have a bunch of files in this folder now because of that. Shared data. There it is. Yeah. Something just moved. Maybe not. Okay. Lesson 2. Yeah, that's actually correct. We're technically on lesson 1, but by a naming mishap, this is now lesson 2. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Stream. There we go. Man, it is surprising it takes that long. I don't feel like it's that big of a deal, but maybe it is. It's a lot. I guess it's probably a lot of math. It's probably having to like spin up pandas and go through all the numbers. Doing a lot of processing on its own. I wonder if does OpenAI or the OSS model. I mean, it probably does that too, right? It should be able to at least. Got auth. Got auth in. Also a little disappointed. I've been using what's it called? GPT Pulse, but gave it a big update last night, and it kind of just ignored a lot of it. So it's just like, oh, cool, yeah, well, here's all the things I still update you on that I've always been. When I told it, it's like, I'm not going to be working on some of that stuff. And it still insisted that I needed to work on that stuff. So I have to see. I gave it like a really big update. It might have been too much. It probably needs like really focused updates instead. Uh-oh. Connection was aborted. What's that mean? Just gave up. Perhaps the server is offline. It did just take me a minute to get into OpenAI. We're up to 50 cents. What about, oh yeah, 50 cents out of my $120 budget. Oh no, excuse me, 66 cents. All right. So now I guess I just run the whole thing again. I think since it happened in a loop, it's gonna be weird about it. But yeah, I was kind of wondering. It's like that seemed like it was taking a long time. Taking a long time. What's their OpenAI status? Oh, they are experiencing issues. That sucks. Well, that could be a bit of an issue. ChatGPT. Increased errors on ChatGPT conversations for paid users. This is outrageous. I'm paying and I can't use it. Error rates on GPT-4o audio preview. Don't care about that. ChatGPT affected component. Bummer. All right. Well, hopefully it'll work. It did seem like it was kind of struggling last night. It's doing something and it was not working so well. It like replied with a response, but then said there was an error. So it's kind of like in between. Oh, did you switch accounts there, Craig? There we go. Yeah. I don't know. This might be stuck for today. It's not gonna work. Nice. If GPT is not gonna work, then I mean, say most of this workflow won't work, but nice, man. Portable audio, man. There we go. Sounds good. Sounds good. But yeah, I mean, I guess I could go ahead and download the other workflows in the meantime and get them all uploaded into local. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we can do one later today. And see about, I guess, just making sure this whole thing works locally. Something important to discuss. Okay. Then that would be nice though, because like, I mean, yeah, I mean, that's the beauty of n8n is like all of these should be able to just like, whoops, run. I should be able to like plug in this whole workflow and have it go all the way through. So, yeah, And then I guess we actually do like the switch these out for local AI, because right now they are connecting to the API that's not working. And this one's taking a while, so it's not looking good on this one either. I mean, this is a slow one for sure, but shouldn't be that slow. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. I don't know. Kind of expecting this to fail here in a minute. And then if that's the case, I think I will download all the workflows and then upload them into local, my local n8n. And then that would probably take a half hour. And then be done with it for now. Ooh, man, yeah, it's already almost 11. Oh, it worked. Hey, all right. But I guess we got 3 more calls to work, 4 more, 3 more. See if they work. That should have been the. It is looking really good. Yeah. Come to our very first lesson. Given this, create a. Okay, that's right. I am having it create an SRT file, so it has to go through like everything. It has to go through the entire transcript, and then reprint all of the timestamps again. Which I probably don't need to do. I mean, I could probably. That's probably more of a deterministic thing, where I just need to take the whole thing and convert it. Because like the format of a SRT is really pretty basic. Open with cursor. Probably starting to push my machine a little bit. I know the NVIDIA automatic background removal kind of. I mean that pushes the GPU for sure. All right, we got through that. So we created the SRT, and then this is the BTT. Nice. So it should almost be done. Should have almost created a video. This one's creating the timestamps based on the slides. Uh-oh. Just quit. What happened? Oh, no output. Uh-oh. Introduction to Python 2. Oh, because it already existed. Crap. This is one of the old ones. Did I put that in the command though? Did I say -y? I did have -y, so it should have overwritten it. I don't see anything in the logs. Oh no, that was, never mind. I think that was GPT when GPT failed. Send stream, not found. Send file. Failed to launch Triton kernels, likely missing CUDA toolkit. Falling back to slower median. That's fine. I don't know. I mean, but whispered it at 200, so that's good. In incorrect data. No execution output, incorrect data. I mean, yeah, this came back with nothing, but why? I added -y, so I think. Oh wait, there we go. Oh yeah, okay. Probably should actually read the error. Error opening input file /shared /slide one title. No file, no such file exists. Okay. So the wait. So the is it JPEG? Wait. Slide lesson one title JPEG. It does exist. Why did it fail to open it? Those match up. Um, that's weird though. Those are correct. Why did that not work? /shared. Oh wait, hang on. I just look at the execution. So the last execution is here. But the error was no such file or directory /shared. Oh, wait, /shared is correct, right? So if I do that, oh wait, that command won't work because it's all right. So I'm gonna run this command. That slide lesson one title.jpg. Slide lesson one title.jpg. No such file or direct. Wait, so. But there is there not? Oh. Does it have a space? Where did that come from? Crap. So. Which one of these has a space? So downloading, searching for these files, we're looping over them, and then wait a minute. So that should have named it correctly. Aha, it does have a space. Okay. Whoops. So then where is that happening? That is happening here. Um, that's the export. What? Hang on. What's happening? Oh, I was trying to put topic. Okay. It missed a value. I think I was trying to put the course topic in the name of the file, and then it didn't work. Flow item.course topic. Get rows and sheets. Oh, wait. Okay. So it should probably be from the loop, not from course topic. Let's try that again. Is this an AWS thing? There we go. All right. No, it should come from that. So that should be fine. Gonna run that subflow. It should have the value in it. Wait, where's the file name? It's not loading it. Name is slide 1. Did the other one get named correctly? Slide 1. First topic. Slide 1. Oh, yeah, course topic didn't get loaded. Why not? Oh, course topic's empty. JSON the course topic. Course topic is coming from item.topic. Oh, there is no topic. Whoops. Did I miss it here? Might have missed it in an earlier run. Weird. I guess I didn't even see it because it was covered up. So then something weird's happening here. The value got cut off. So I think change this guy a little bit. I don't think this needs to be that long. Oh, no, I guess that is. I guess I accidentally did do that. I didn't break that correctly. Quotes are probably throwing it off though, because open quotes are not good. Just gonna leave out the descriptions. They don't really need to be in there. So that's a bit of an issue. If the originally entered values never actually got saved here, it still seemed to know what to do. Oh, weird. I think it's because I later passed the value, so we just use it anyway. But this should have been appended though. That's weird. Topics there. Change it to 2. Submit. I don't know what happened there. Really weird. So there should be a new folder from today. That's today. Today's 27th. Yeah. Inputs. Yeah, I might have just thrown it off, so I didn't know what to do with it because the quotes and quotes and colons were all messed up. So I don't know. Super weird. Okay. Anyway, free version, want to give away, you'll probably have to strip it back, keep it more simple. Example, only creating beginner level course, no worksheet, PDF, no additional resources, PDF, no quiz. Maybe just give them create slides for lessons so it's easy for them to extra. Yeah, makes sense. All right, so then, yeah, that's a weird one. So I guess, I mean, we can fix this one now because it's just whatever, intro to Python, I think. Whoa, kept the formatting. All right, introduction to Python. I don't know why that value was missing, but now it's back. So then this guy should make more sense. And it shouldn't fail in the command. So, and I don't have to fix anything there, which is nice. Okay. So I got all the way through there. So I guess I'm gonna try one more time. This should create a video. I think yeah, because it should just overwrite all this stuff. It is creating some duplicates, I think, but that's okay. Yeah, try it one more time. Yeah, we could definitely optimize this. Probably to not use the AI because it's going to take way too long. Yeah. I mean, yeah, when it runs all locally, I mean, it should be fine. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happened there. A little weird. I think it was just there's too much definition going on here. Like I was trying to include like this entire title. I don't need to. There's too much going on there. So that only needs to be on the form. It doesn't need to be here. That makes this a little cleaner. But yeah, that should hopefully fix that. And then hopefully OpenAI cooperates as well. Cold and damp in Scotland. It's getting cool here. It's 56, so it's not super warm, but it's pretty sunny right now, which is kind of nice. Hopefully this won't take too long. Yeah, I'm running this through, and then probably going to be up for today. I got to switch to some other stuff. The tourists to Scotland always say it's raining. Never been to Scotland, but I could see that. Yeah, I could see that. Is it? I mean, is it normally? Is it fairly rainy regularly, I guess? Oh, spinner lagged. Yeah, might have to fix this. This is like way too long. Say, read the small print on the airline ticket. It says bring shoes for deep water. There we go. Yes, nice. 9, 10 months a year not sunny. Really, really, wow. So it's just not very sunny. That's kind of crazy. Trying to think, kind of like I think West Coast, like Pacific Northwest, kind of like that. We see the sun, we have a party. There you go. Nice. There you go. Yeah, that's crazy actually. June, July, and that's it. Wow. Yeah. It's been clear here the last few days, which has been nice. Like super clear, like no clouds at all. Um, yeah, I guess that is one nice thing about the Midwest. The Midwest is all over the place as far as weather. We get everything. We'll have pretty soon here we'll start having days where it's like perfectly blue and sunny, but it's like negative 20 degrees, so it's super cold out, but it looks nice out. Take vitamin D tablets, it's that bad. Yeah, I could see that. I mean, I know, yeah, there's still sunlight through the clouds, but I'm probably not as much, so I could definitely see that. It's in New York. It was amazing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I do enjoy fall. Fall in the U.S. is pretty nice. And I mean, depending, like northern, like New York is you're gonna actually get different weather. But yeah, no, fall in like the north is pretty nice. About sunny, hot grapefruit juice in Central Park. There you go. There you go. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's true. It's been a lot warmer in September lately. So but yeah, that sounds good. Sat there by yourself for hours. That's nice. Yeah, man, that's awesome. Central Park is crazy. I've only been there once, but it is huge. It's like it is unbelievably massive. Yeah, I was out. A little bit yesterday. Got some walking in yesterday, which is good. It was like, I mean, 50, 52 Fahrenheit. So it was cool, but it was clear. Yeah, Memphis. Yeah, Memphis. Yeah, quite a bit more hot and humid. Seems to be up. Generally, most of the Midwest is very humid. Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah, only been in. I don't know if I've actually been to Memphis, Tennessee, to be honest. Uh, Probably driven through it, but I don't know if I actually like stopped and stayed there. Yes, for 28 days traveling by yourself, staying in an Airbnb. Nice, nice. That's awesome. That's yeah. I mean, you got to make the trip worthwhile if you're gonna come over because it's a lot of travel. But that's cool. Did you? I mean, were you in multiple Airbnbs then? Since if you were in New York and Memphis. All right, we got our SRT done, BTT done. Downloading the images, which I should have rewritten. New York, Pennsylvania, Johnstown, and then Nashville and Memphis. Okay, and yeah, you're all over the place. That's cool. Bunch of places I actually haven't. Oh man, did it do it again? Wait, what? Should have picked this up. What happened? I put the dash yes, so that should have worked. It still did the wrong one. It didn't catch the name. Slide lesson 1 title JPEG. What is happening there? Oh, wait. Oh, it's because of the numbering is messed up. I think it's looking for lesson 2 when it's actually lesson 1. Okay. Yeah. All right. That makes sense. Okay. This is just a bad data batch. That makes more sense. Okay, cool. 4 to 5 days in each place. We'll do trains, planes, and automobiles. Oh, there you go. Yeah, for sure. That's cool. That's very cool. Oh man. Flew into New York, stayed 5 days, took Greyhound to Philadelphia, did the Rocky Steps. Oh, nice. Yeah, very cool. Had a nice little trip planned out. Then train Philly to Johnstown. Okay, okay. That's really cool. I mean, I guess like there's the metro and stuff around Chicago, so I can take like trains between a couple of the towns and cities and stuff, but I haven't taken like a long-term train. My brother took a train up from Indy to Chicago. Johnstown back to Philly. Okay, yeah, did you then just work your way back north again, back to New York? All right, yeah. So this is just bad data. I think this will work. I'm gonna have to correct the data and try it again, but that will be probably for tomorrow. I gotta do some other stuff. Got a good hour stream in, which is good. Greyhound, Nashville to Memphis. Okay, okay. Plane Philly to Nashville, then Nashville to Memphis. Yeah, okay, gotcha. Flew Memphis back to Newark, and then home to Scotland. There you go. Yeah, that makes sense. That's cool, man. That's really cool. Yeah, so the whole northeast region of not New York, of the U.S. That's awesome, man. That'd be cool. Seen a bunch of stuff that I haven't seen. I live in the U.S. Lived in the U.S. for a long time. Okay. Name this n8n, but we didn't quite get to n8n. We got very close. Got very close. Yeah, there you go. Do West Coast next time. There you go. That'd be fun too. I have been to San Francisco. I haven't been to LA, but I've been to San Francisco a couple times. Oh no, I have been. I've been to Southern California. I guess that's not true. I forget where I was. Orange County or something. So, but it's cool. It's different over there for sure. It's different than the Northeast. Much drier and warmer for the most part. So yeah, that's a good trip too. That's fun. Oh man. All right. Well, I want to see where they filmed Arthur Daly's hotel. Okay. Yeah, not sure actually. And streets of San Francisco. Yeah, it is cool. It is cool to see San Francisco and the trolleys and all that stuff. Been around there a little bit. But all right, man. Well, I think that's gonna do it for today. I gotta go do some other stuff. But yeah, I was gonna say this was pretty close. I think this is really just because of this. It's because the numbering got messed up. Because they're called lesson 1, but then the audio is lesson 2. So that is a problem. I mean, I think those should have matched. I guess yeah. Some of the values aren't connecting because of that. So I'm using data from the spreadsheet, which is correct, but then the file names are messed up. So got to figure that out. But drop me an email with time for a video call. Okay. Yeah, we'll do one later. So I'll email you and let you know. So sounds good. But yeah, I think tomorrow. Yeah, I think tomorrow I might have to run the whole system. I mean, we need to run the whole system end to end anyway, so maybe I'll just go ahead and download everything tomorrow and try that instead. So maybe I'll shoot for that. We'll download all the workflows and then if you want to go now, that'd be good. It'll be later. So, but yeah, plan for local workflow end to end tomorrow and test that out, and then that'll give us new data, and then that hopefully will give us correct data to be able to create these videos. So it would be the next iteration. So I'll do that tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. It was just you today, Craig. So thanks for hanging out, man. I'll catch everybody tomorrow. See ya.